Hey everyone, my name is Lakshay and I'm founder of Albela Creatives. On LinkedIn, I have about only 30 followers, but guess what? My post still manages to reach thousands of impressions and I'm getting clients. If you really think that you need a very big audience to get clients, you need to think again. I'm here to show you that you can create an impact and get clients with just a small following also. In this video, we'll walk through the exact steps that I use to get clients with only a small following that you can use to get your clients as well. Step 1 is to find your niche. A lot of you may already have started on LinkedIn, but if you have not, it's for those also. Starting on LinkedIn can be very overwhelming. It feels like, oh, you have just entered a very big corporate social media, but it's not. It may be different from Instagram, but you'll get a hang of it in 1 or 2 days. So the first thing you need to do is find your niche. A niche isn't a topic. It's your unique corner on LinkedIn that is gonna make you stand out from the rest of the crowd. Think of something that you're very passionate about. Think of something that your hobby lies in. Think of something that you can do for other people in exchange of money, but for a very long period of time. It could be anything: remote work, deep work, entrepreneurship, personal branding, graphic designing, ghostwriting, anything in which you can provide value to the potential clients. So once you have nailed down your niche, you need to think about creating content around it. You can use tools like Tapo and Tweet Hunter, which can find you the most engaging and the most viral content under your niche. Remember, you don't have to copy those content. You have to get inspiration from that, and then you can add your own value. Because I get it, the very hard part is to know what to post, and your first post is the most crucial step. So remember to take inspiration from them, but not copy them. Step 2 is to create content that stands out. Just posting on LinkedIn today is not enough. If you have posted a picture of dog, let's say 5 years back, you could have been viral. But that's not the case today. LinkedIn has over 1 billion users all around the world. And to stand out, it's getting tougher and tougher and tougher. Start by writing on a simple topic under your niche. From there, list 3 things that you want to talk about. And those 3 things should be education, inspiring, and entertaining. By knowing what you want your post to achieve, you can be more selective about the content that you create and the message that your post is going to convey. Step 3 is engage and convert. Turning your content into leads is all about engagement. Don't just post and ghost. Pay attention to who is engaging with your content. If someone fits your ideal content list, send them a personalized connection. And be genuine in your message. Don't sound too robotic, and don't use ChatGPT to send a message. Remember, it's not Instagram, it's LinkedIn. It's B2B platform. So everyone knows what ChatGPT is, everyone knows who's show off, everyone knows what skills you have and what value you can provide them. So just be authentic, right? Now I will be talking about the steps that I follow before posting any content on LinkedIn, and that is the Albela method. I'm not saying it will always work, but this is the framework that I use and you can try it also. So A is authenticity. Start with a personal story or honest insight. People connect with genuine experience. So don't be afraid to show your human side rather than the ChatGPT side. L stands for leverage insights. Share unique insights or perspective that are not commonly discussed. This helps you position as a thought leader in your niche. B stands for boldness. Make bold statements and challenge the status quo. Don't be afraid to stand out by taking a unique perspective that catches people's attention. E is for engagement. You need to engage with your audience. You need to reply to comments. You need to reply on other people's content, and you need to DM them. The more you engage with people, the more connection you will have and the more clients you will get. Don't underestimate the power of engagement. L again stands for layered content. You need to use a mix of content format. You need to use text, you need to use pictures, you need to use carousels, you need to use videos to keep your audience engaged and to show your potential client that you can adapt to every different format. The last A in Albela is for action oriented. You need to always include a certain call to action in every one of your content. That's how you invite audience to comment their thoughts, their views, and then bring more engagement to your post. By following this Albela method, you can really stand out from the crowd and you can really start gaining the leverage of small followings and getting the potential client that you deserve. But again, it's all about trying and testing. You'll never know until and unless you try. So don't start tomorrow. Start today. Nobody really cares if you made a mistake or you made a typo error. As soon as you post your first content, you'll be amazed to see that people are here very supportive and they want you to grow and they'll share their insights. They want you to gain more knowledge also. Thanks for watching and please stay connected with every one of your audience. I can't wait to see your first post on LinkedIn and your first client on LinkedIn. Bye.